Так, котята, тут у нас же будут эти ванавашки некоторые. Точно.
And I've got these like mom jeans, I think. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I did that last video too.
But instead I ended up just putting it in like a little gift box that's just like red and green striped.
О, прикольно. Точно.
No lo sé. No lo sé.
Hey guys, Connie from Bronze Brazilian at Killing Hill. Today I'm just going to talk to you about some makeup and whatnot. So how many of you guys really...
Тебе без разницы, в какой последовательности?
Мне дело.
Тебе дело?
Мне дело.
Ну и ты разбирай.
У меня вот так дом украшен. Мы в съемной квартире у бабушки. Ой.
Oh, so dusty. I'm cleaning up better. Oh my god, it's so dusty. I'm sorting out my room, dressing table, desk, because it's just a real dusty mess. That's how dusty it is. So yeah, we're having a bit of a clean up today. Oh my god. Sorry. So yeah, this is like all the crap I've managed to get off my desk so far. So I'm just gonna...
We want to be honest, truthful people.
We want to set a good example.
Yes.
She...
In the sun, when you get some color, you have a little bit of a flush to you. And even if you tan right away. Excuse me.
I ruin every video.
I just want to show you creepy Garfield. Woo!
And kind of it. Wait.
God bless you.
Thank you.
What are we gonna go get? Are you gonna sneeze? Bless you. Juice vibes! Oh, bless you.
Juice vibes!
Okay, I'm gonna miss this. Is she coming? What's the 30 minutes that I have? I'll think about it. Wait, what?
Yummy! Yummy! I've sneezed. Oh god, you. I'm allergic to life. Okay, bye.
And apparently Elf on the Shelf is so popular. I'm sneezing so much lately.
Oh.
Up afterwards. I can hide these bags and make them think that they've been taken.
My allergies are so bad today. I'm gonna sneeze, maybe. Oh my goodness.
Bad. Yes, I'm still sick, by the way.
Our fondant logs are ready. Now shape into a rainbow. Oh, something tickled me. Okay.
It's a little Coach lanyard for like, oops, your IDs and card, stuff like that. That's how we do it here.
At the hot spring, you could drink tap water. allergies, man. Okay.